Following the Southern Angami Public Organization's instruction to the Mao citizens residing within Angami jurisdiction to return to their respective native villages as per customary norm, Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh has returned to his Nagaland counterpart seeking security of the Mao community residing in Nagaland. DGP Rajiv Singh in his letter to Nagaland DGP Rupin Sharma said, "This development is causing concern and panic among the Mao community residing in Manipur and Nagaland. As such, I would request you to kindly take appropriate action in this regard and also to provide adequate security to the people of Mao community residing in Nagaland." Mention may be made that a statement issued by SAPO President Ertapul Haupovi and General Secretary Solul Pucho stated that the quit notice to Mao people has been necessitated to de-escalate pent-up tensions, prevent untoward incidents and for safety and protection of Mao citizens living under the Angami jurisdiction. It also alleged the Mao Council of failing to vacate and withdraw the Manipur security forces which was established at the dispute Kezolsa at their behest with ulterior motive.